How to create a coloured animated mosaic background effect in DaVinci Resolve 20. Inside the Edit window, go to Effects. Underneath Toolbox, select Generators. Scroll down the list of generator options to find the noise gradient. Click and drag one of these filters to your timeline. Using the Selection Mode tool, which you can also do by pressing A, click and drag from the end of the edit to change the duration. Here in this example, I will increase the overall duration by 10 seconds to a total of 15. With the Noise Gradients edit selected, go to Inspector and underneath Generator, ensure that version 1 is selected, and underneath Controls, to have the gradient pattern stand out more, I will increment the value for detail from 2 to 10. To have the two gradient colours stand out more from one another, I will also increase the value for contrast from 1 to 5. And to increase the amount of pattern variation that appears on screen, I will increase the value from scale from 2 to 20. Keep the seed rate set to 0.1 for a slow and smooth running animation, with discontinuous and inverted unticked. To change the colours of your effect, select Gradient. With the gradient type set to Uni, ensure that the first triangular node underneath the gradient bar is selected. Double click on the box below this. Once you have decided your colour, choose a darker representation of this. Here I will apply a blue shade to the texture using the hexadecimal code #00007F. Click OK. Select the second node underneath the gradient bar and double click on the relevant colour box which appears below this. Now add a lighter shade of your chosen colour. Here I will insert a light blue shade by using the code #55AAFF. Click OK once you're done. Return to the Effects toolbox, select Open Effects, go to click and drag a Mosaic blur filter from the options to your Noise Gradient edit. With the Noise Gradient edit selected once again, go to Inspector and underneath Effects, find the properties for the Mosaic blur filter. I will increase the size of the pixels on screen by decreasing the value for pixel frequency from 100 to 25. Change cell shape from square to triangle. Reducing the value for aliasing will increase the contrast between the two colour shades. Here in this example I will keep this set to 1. Return to the Open Effects menu. Using the search box at the top of the Effects window, go to find the Edge Detect effect. Click and drag one of these filters to the Noise Gradient edit, and with the edit still selected under Inspector and Open Effects, find the properties for Edge Detect. We will use this Edge Detect filter to add a gentle glow to the triangles in the mosaic effect. Tick Edge Mask Overlay to restore the two colours that you originally applied to the gradient. Increase edge width to 0.6 to enhance the glow effect applied to the mosaic. And to enhance this vibrancy further, I will increase brightness from 2.5 to 3. And to have the original colour shade stand out more, I will increment the value for gamma from 1 to 2. And to add slight feather to the glowing effect of the edges, I will increment the value for blur to 0.3. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that video was useful to you. If you enjoyed the content and wish to be notified about future uploads on this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Join me soon for another video. Take care.